Okay, so let's talk today about this razor blade scraper. Okay, it's a very useful tool, and I'm using a lot for different stuff. Some people use to open box, for example. Okay, you can retract, and it's useful. Let's see, for example, if you're going to use a box like this, you're gonna open, just can cut here, okay, to open it up. So pretty useful for that, but most of the time people like just use to scrape stuff, right? So you just start doing this and you can scrape everything. My wife, for example, uses this a lot in the kitchen, for example. It's pretty useful too for cleaning things up. Pretty good one. And the package comes with 40 pieces of spare blades, so you can replace it. Okay, so you have the 2 pieces of retractable scraper, that's the one, and the 40 spare blades, right? So here, for example, I have a spare blade, and then to replace it is pretty easy. You just need to get one of this. To remove it, you just, instead of using your fingers, just to be careful not to cut yourself, you can like remove like this. You just push it using any object, and then you can pull it out, right? Then, for example, if you get a new one here, I'm just get one of the new ones, put this aside, and here it comes with this paper to protect, so you cannot get cut. Here you go, you remove it, and then you just insert it here that way. You push it, you're not touching the blade. And here you go, ready to go to scrape stuff. And you can retract, so you don't cut yourself. You can leave in your toolbox or something like that. So it's pretty good, pretty useful.